Stories are a way to weave together text and embedded media into multimedia documents. It's often used for long-form digital essays, but it's also a way just to make a basic page in Mediacron. In many cases, you'll add a story by navigating to a particular part of a site and then clicking the Add To button. In this example, we're going to a folder called Essays. These steps might be slightly different depending on what kind of collection you're adding your story into, such as a map, for example. After clicking the Add button, click New Content and then New Story. Once on the Story Edit form, I'll just add a title for now and then click Save to create the story. Once you've saved it, it will appear in the folder and you can click on the title to go to it. Just as a side note, the other way to add a story is to click the plus button in the top right corner of the page and then click Story. Also, you can always find any content you've added into Mediacron by going to Browse in the top menu bar. Clicking My Content will show just the items you've added. To begin editing the content of your story, click Edit Content. It's common to paste content from another source such as Word or Google Docs, and most of the basic formatting such as bold, italics, links, and headings should come through. Once you've added text, you can add formatting yourself by highlighting text and using the options in the edit bar at the top of the page. You can add simple formatting like bold and italics. You can use headings to break up longer pages into sections. You can add block quotes with the quote button. You can add links with the link button. You can link to either other content in the site or to external websites. To embed other Mediacron content, click Return to create a new paragraph and the Add button will appear to the right of the story. Clicking on that will open a sidebar that will allow you to embed new or existing content. For example, to add an image into a story, either select an existing image from the list or click New Image. With new images, you'll need to add a title and click Upload to upload the image from your computer. To add a video, the process will be the same except that you'll be adding a URL instead of uploading a file. Hovering over figures in a story will reveal some alignment options. For example, left and right allow the text to flow around the figure. Column makes the figure the width of the story. Full allows the figure to go the full width of the page. Clicking the X will remove the figure from the story, but it won't delete the figure from the site permanently. You can still add it back into the story if you want to. To add a thumbnail or change the layout of a story, click Edit Details. To add an image, scroll down to Appearance and click Upload Image. To have the image appear as a background at the top of the story, select either half-page header image or full-page header image under Layout Options. It's usually a good idea to click Save periodically while you're working. This will save your changes but keep you in edit mode. When you're done editing, click Save and Exit to leave edit mode. Every time you save a story, a revision is saved and you can view all the versions by clicking on the Revisions button in the top right of your page. If you want to restore an older version, just click Revert.